Hi guys, so today, as you can tell in the title, I'll be doing Snackfever unboxing. So I found this on Facebook, and it's like Korean snacks delivered. So I'm big on the Korean Asian culture kind of thing. Plus, I like snacks. I have a problem with snacks. I overspend in snacks, so I thought, why not get snacks delivered to my door from Korea. And I like this a lot because it's pretty much going to help me manage my money. There's two different boxes. There's a regular one, which is $20, and then there is the deluxe one, which is like $35. I got the normal one just to see if I'm going to like it or not, and I do like it, so I'm probably going to switch over to the $35 a month one, which is fine. You can also skip and cancel at any time. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I already opened it up because I can't wait. It came with a sticker. It says chicken meets pizza. And this pretty much doesn't like tell you how to, like, what each thing's about, like how to use it or anything. It just says things like, don't stop. I said don't stop. Stop. Don't cook this. All you have to do is shake it. And okay, so for this one, I don't have to cook it at all. This one, just open it up, put the seasoning packet in there, shake it up, and eat it like it's a potato chip. Next one, oh, it's almond wasabi. I'm allergic to almonds, but I'll try it out. If not, then I'll just give it to my father. Alright. Oh, pretty dope. Next we have chicken pop. What is this? Spicy soy sauce chicken flavor? I'm gonna go through this real quick. Then we have my chew candy peach flavored. I love peach, so oh no, I would love to have this, but I can't because almonds. Probably give it to my brother. I don't know. That wasabi almonds pretty tasty. If not, I'll just have water. I'm not gonna die. I should be fine. I should be fine. I can't pronounce this word. Sour cake. So, are you in need of something chewy with this extreme flavor? Give these sour ice soda chews a try. Then it's like Pocky kind of? No, it's little like breadsticks. And this is the chocolate cookie. I can't wait to have this. Pizza chips. Roly-poly. Oh, these are like those things that's like chocolate in the middle, it looks like. And like you sip like your milk through it and be like, I've had these before. These are pretty dope. And then our last item in the box is drumsticks. Fried chicken. It's a snack that looks like a drumstick. So yeah, I can't wait to eat all of this stuff. I'm excited. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items for 20 bucks, and it's from Korea. So stay tuned for another video. I know it's super quick, but maybe I'll do another video of me eating it later. Maybe. Thanks, guys.